Wake up.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a serious but crucial topic, the insidious tactics narcissists use to shatter your confidence. So let's get started. Feigning incompetence is a manipulative tactic often used by narcissists to control and undermine their victims. Unlike more overt forms of abuse, this tactic involves the narcissist pretending to be incapable or helpless to shift responsibilities onto others. By doing so, they create an imbalance in the relationship where the victim feels compelled to take on more than their fair share of tasks and responsibilities. This not only increases the victim's workload, but also gradually erodes their confidence. The narcissist may initially present themselves as genuinely needing help. They might claim they don't understand how to perform a task, even if it's something simple and straightforward. Over time, this behavior becomes a pattern, with the narcissist consistently avoiding responsibilities and relying on others to pick up the slack. The victim starts to doubt their own abilities. This self-doubt is precisely what the narcissist aims to instill. Intellectual sabotage is another insidious tactic used by narcissists to erode their victims' confidence. This involves the narcissist subtly undermining your knowledge, skills, and abilities, making you doubt your intellectual competence. Unlike overt criticism, intellectual sabotage is often more covert. A narcissist might constantly question your decisions, provide misleading or incorrect information, or subtly mock your ideas and opinions. This behavior is designed to make you feel inferior and uncertain about your intellectual capabilities. The psychological impact of intellectual sabotage is profound. When someone consistently undermines your intellectual abilities, you begin to question your knowledge, decision-making skills, and overall competence. This anxiety can lead to a decline in performance as the victim becomes overly cautious and hesitant to take initiative. Over time, the constant undermining can lead to a loss of confidence and self-esteem, making the victim more dependent on the narcissist for guidance and approval. Micromanagement involves the narcissist closely monitoring and controlling your actions. They dictate how you should perform tasks, scrutinize your work, and offer unsolicited advice or criticism. This behavior is not limited to professional settings, but can extend to personal relationships where the narcissist insists on making decisions for you, ranging from what you wear to how you spend your free time. When someone constantly monitors and controls your actions, it sends the message that you are not competent or trustworthy enough to handle things on your own. Over time, this erodes your self-esteem and confidence, making you feel inadequate. Victims of micromanagement often experience high levels of stress and anxiety. The constant scrutiny creates a fear of making mistakes, leading to overcautiousness and a decline in performance. Identity erosion typically starts with subtle suggestions and criticisms. The narcissist might criticize your tastes, opinions, and choices. For example, a narcissistic partner might mock your hobbies or dismiss your cultural and religious beliefs. In a professional setting, a narcissistic boss might undermine your professional goals, discourage your career development, or ridicule your ideas and contributions. This relentless criticism and invalidation make you question your identity and align more closely with the narcissist's views and desires. Victims might feel lost and unsure of their place in the world, leading to depression, anxiety, and a pervasive sense of emptiness. False accusations are another destructive tactic used by narcissists to shatter your confidence. These baseless accusations are designed to keep you defensive, distracted, and constantly questioning your actions. The narcissist might accuse you of things you didn't do, twist your words, or interpret your actions in the most negative light possible. This creates a scenario where you are always on the defensive, trying to prove your innocence or good intentions. For example, a narcissistic partner might accuse you of cheating without any basis, simply to create a climate of suspicion and control. In a workplace, a narcissistic colleague might falsely accuse you of slacking off or making mistakes to undermine your reputation and credibility. These accusations can be made directly or spread through gossip and rumors. Constantly being accused of wrongdoing erodes your self-esteem and sense of reality. You begin to doubt your actions, intentions, and even your character. Narcissists use double standards by applying different sets of rules to themselves and their victims. They might expect perfection from you while allowing themselves to make mistakes without consequence. They demand honesty and loyalty while engaging in deceitful or disloyal behavior themselves. This hypocrisy creates a confusing and demoralizing environment where you can never seem to do anything right no matter how hard you try. By sabotaging your success, the narcissist ensures that you remain dependent on them, reinforcing their control and keeping your confidence low. Sabotage can take many forms, ranging from overt interference to more covert, subtle actions. A narcissist might create obstacles that hinder your progress. They might also undermine your relationships, causing conflicts with friends, family, or colleagues that isolate you from support. When your efforts are consistently undermined, you begin to question your abilities and doubt your capacity to achieve your goals. Narcissists are highly perceptive when it comes to identifying the weaknesses and insecurities of others. They may initially appear empathetic and understanding, encouraging you to share your fears and doubts. Once they have this information, they begin to subtly or overtly use it against you. This tactic works because it taps into the core of your self-worth. The narcissist's comments and actions are strategically designed to trigger your insecurities. By weaponizing your fears and self-doubts, they erode your confidence and keep you emotionally dependent on their approval. Narcissists use various methods to instill fear, including aggressive behavior and unpredictable outbursts. They may threaten to harm themselves or even harm others if their demands are not met. The psychological impact of living in fear is significant and debilitating. The victim may feel trapped and unable to escape the toxic environment, resulting in a sense of hopelessness and despair. The constant fear of repercussions makes it difficult to assert oneself or make independent decisions. Public embarrassment is a particularly cruel tactic used by narcissists to undermine your confidence. Narcissists might make fun of your appearance, intelligence, abilities, or personal choices in front of friends, family, colleagues, or even strangers. The psychological impact of public embarrassment is severe. Being humiliated in front of others creates intense feelings of shame and inadequacy. You may start to avoid social situations or become overly self-conscious, constantly worrying about how others perceive you. The public nature of the humiliation makes it harder to dismiss or rationalize, as it is witnessed and sometimes reinforced by others. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and comment. Your engagement helps support our community in striving for healthier, more fulfilling relationships. Until next time, keep making waves and turning the tide.